Hey guys. Okay, so welcome to Night Code Stream. So what we do in Night Code Stream? Basically, we do something. We create projects. We try something new. We try to experiment something new. But for today, what we will be doing? I will be creating a tiny project. It's a basically a short project. I will be using Vue.js and Django REST framework and database as a Postgres, and I will be creating a project. And yeah, so if you are on the stream, welcome. Okay, so let's go with the project then. Okay, so let me open my manual first. Okay, during the project I will be blabbering and saying some stuff, so don't mind for that. Okay, so I have to create a database first. So what I will be doing, let's create a Django project. So this stream will be around I think I have already set the time. It is of 3 hours, around 3 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah. Uh, mm, uh, in this there will be two parts. First will be backend and second will be not inside the backend. There will be another folder. Mhm. Okay, so I will be creating both. Okay, so what I'm doing, I will be opening this part. Space. No, I don't need to. manage. I have to open this folder. I have to open. Okay, so inside the backend, so let's open the console. So what I'm doing, okay, so I will create a two terminal first for this. I will change this color to the green, and I will change this color to the red. So basically red and green will tells me that one will be a Django and other will be a Vue.js. Okay. Mm. Mm. So let's go inside the backend folder. Okay, let's clear this terminal. So this part is ready. Let's go inside this folder, frontend. Okay, so this part is also ready. Let's create another bash terminal. Make this, you don't have to change the color for this. This will be the same. Okay, so get init. Get add, get function. So let's go inside the Django. Let's create a Python virtual environment. Okay. Python 3 -m pen 3. Okay, so we have already set the VNV inside the backend. So what I will be doing, I will activating this virtual environment for the Python. So .env this let's go inside the venv folder, go inside bin, then activate, click. Okay, so this part is done. We have activated it. Let's create another thing, another file named requirement.php. Okay, so I've created requirement.php file. What are the things that we need to set up the project? I will be new window. What are we doing? Let me change. Instead of checking this, let me open my terminal. I will be using Helix editor to just check the. So let me inside my workspace basically. Okay, inside the workspace there is name Django workspace. Documents, the plural. Okay. We are already inside. Okay, so check for the projects. No, it is not inside this project. Okay, so what I'm just searching. Course, posting, website. Okay, so this is good. This is fine. Okay, so this part is done. Let me open my tmux. Uh-huh. Let me open my terminal first. Let me shrink my terminal. Do I need terminal? But yeah, sure. Uh, okay. I have to check one thing. Okay, just search for the file name backend. Inside the backend, I need just to check requirement.txt file. So Django equals to 5.2, Django is framework, Markdown. Great. Django equals to 5.2. Django is framework. Is requirement. Okay, I have spelled the wrong requirement. Okay. So this is it. Django does framework. I need markdown. I don't think so. Okay. So let me. I don't think so. Okay. Requirements. Requirements dot txt. What was basically the command? Let me search. Okay, so my command basically was .txt. Okay. Okay, so it is basically a pip install dash r. Ah, okay. Great. Sometimes I just forget what the actual command is. It is dash r, not dash. Okay, so finally some of the free packages have been installed successfully. It. So let's create a project. Django dash admin start project and the project name will be what should I name the project? Feature interface SMS SMS SMS. Okay, so project is already been created here. Okay, so first what we will doing here, I will be changing the database. I will not be using SQLite here, and I will be setting up the static where I will saving the file also. Student details, enter and manage grades, include and store much. Okay, so what I will be doing? So first of all, let's go inside. Let's start first the Python. What do you say? Uh, Database first. Postgres database. Okay, so let's start Postgres database. Let's go to the actual terminal, or just I will open basically Postgres from this terminal. Why we don't need to close this tmux because I will be needing this thing. Okay, so let's what should I do? What should I do here? Okay, I will be going start PG. I think this is PG. Okay, so I have to exit this terminal. I have to exit from this thing. Okay, what I will be doing, I will be closing this thing also. Exit from this, close this, go to initial, clear this, and what I will be doing, I will be starting. I hope we should start the Postgres database. Okay, so let's get started. Postgres database is starting now. I just have to go to the browser and just hit this port. Okay, so go to the local host, not 8000, it is 5050. So cool. Now it is open. You are currently running 8.0. I don't want to update right now. Okay, so it is Needing to take Casa. Sure, I will give it to my Postgres. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be creating a new database. So what I will be doing, so I have to do one more thing. I have to create a database. The database name will be sms underscore db. Yeah, we can say smsdb. That will be nice. Okay, just save it. The database is created. Okay, so I just have to give a connection here. Let's go inside the settings folder. Uh, okay, so what we have to do? So we have to create, we have to set up first our SQL. We have to connect first our database engine. So how will I do that? Oh, there's a way. Just open the file because I just forget how to do it. So I have to check from initial project that I have created. So what is the project here? Okay, so basically I have used default engine name, user, password, host, port. Okay, great. So I will be taking this thing from here. I'll pasting this from here. I will be changing it. Okay, some of the things have to change. So my database is not this. Now my database is SMS DB. Already, yeah, Postgres user will be same, password will be same, the local host will be the same. This will also be same. So this looks nice. Okay, so we have done here that part. Okay, so what I will be doing again. So I will be using asynchronous server gateway interface, you can say. I will not be using WSGI. I will be using ASGI. So what I will be doing here, I will be commenting this out. I will be using ASGI underscore. Okay, for right now I will not be using. Let's first create a REST API and then after that I will be changing it to the ASGI rather than WSGI. Okay, so what I will be doing, I have to test whether it is working or not. This is not the settings file. So yeah, this is the setting file. This is nice. This looks good, I think. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, Joe. Okay, let's run the server first. Before running the server, I have to migrate some things. So I will migrate. Okay, but why it is not working? Okay. So I have to go inside this Django project, which is SMS underscore backend. Inside this project, I have to run this command python 3 manage .py migrate. Okay, so I have done something wrong here. I have to install this psycho pg module. So basically this module is used by the Postgres to connect the database, to connect to the Postgres database, I think. So what I have to do, I have to run this command pip install psyopg. Psychopg or it is something else. Let me check this. Psychopg. Okay, psycog. PSYCOEG. Okay. And let's run this again. Okay, so we have successfully migrated our tables to the Postgres database. Okay, great. Let's run the a Django project. Let's run it. Manage.py, run server. Okay, so this looks great. This looks fine. Yeah, this looks okay. Okay. So now it's working. So what I will be doing, I have set it. Okay, so now I have to set one more thing. I have to create a directory, and because I will be storing a file, so I have to create a directory for it, and I have to map it to the URL, static URL, you can say. So let me do that thing. So I have to okay, so what I will be doing, I will be opening Helix editor again. Control Alt T. I will be going inside documents slash workspace slash Django workspace. Okay, inside the Django project workspace, I have created one of the project named blog, I suppose. That is the main project that I have created. Okay, so let's go inside this project. Search for settings. Okay, this looks good. Let's expand this thing. So what I have done here, I have created a static URL. Okay, so I have created a static folder. Okay, so basically static folder usually contains static images like static images or static files like JavaScript files, CSS files that is used globally in the in the what you say basically in the global basically it is used globally. That's it. uh okay, and what we basically need, we need this thing, we need media root. So this will be using to store the media files. Okay, so it can be PDF or image format that I want to store. So what I will be doing here, I will be using media root. So media root will hold the directory, and the media URL will be the URL or the path where the file will be hosted. Okay, so what I will be doing, I have to go inside this media URL. Media root, media URL, base directory uploads. Okay, so let me check this file where it is mentioned. Okay, so it is inside this log name, right? Okay, so settings is okay, so there is spy catch. Okay, so base URL. What is the base URL here? Not here. It's not inside this. It should be inside upload. Okay, so it is not inside this also. Okay, so What I have to do? Let me quit from this thing. Uh, okay, I have to check this first. Okay, so there is a file, and the file name is uploads. But why it is not showing inside the helix? I don't know. So upload is the main file. Is a directory where I will be storing. Let's check the static directory. What is inside the static directory? Okay, so yeah, I was right basically. Let's go inside this uploads directory. What is inside this uploads? Images and profile pics. Okay, so go inside the images version. Okay, so okay, and go inside this profile and this pic. That is profile pics. What is it? There is nothing inside this. Okay, cool. This looks good here. Okay, let's open Helix editor again. Let's go inside this blog and let's check static. Okay, so I have hosted the static media URL by importing a static function from urls.static, and I have passed the URL and I have passed the document root where the file will be. Okay, so this looks good here. This looks fine. This looks okay. Okay, let's go inside models. So let's check which model I have created this thing. Okay, so it is inside this upload to profile pic. So I have created a folder uploads, and that uploads already added inside the settings. So Django already know about that there is a folder name uploads. Inside the upload I have to save this image file, but what I have done here, I've been telling my image feed that you don't have to upload inside the upload file. You basically have to upload it inside the folder name profile pics, and you have to upload it inside that. Okay, so it's look good. Mm-hmm. It looks okay. It looks fine, I suppose. Yeah, great. So I have to basically hold the same media URL and media root. Media root, media URL, media. Okay, so let's try this first. Will it work? What am I even doing? Why am switching with subsequently from one window to another? So okay, so base URL will be uploads. I will be naming it uploads. Okay. So this is a base URL. This is the main project. Inside this project, I will create a folder named uploads. Okay. Great. And okay, so what I will be doing here, we cannot use this function. Okay, so hosting static files that can be consumed by users like images or videos, it is not efficient to host inside the project like this. You can use it for development, but you cannot, I don't think you cannot create, you can create, but I don't think that will be efficient because uh, you have to create your own CDN then, and you have, because the files are static, so you have to create a caching that can easily perform a caching, and the speed and the loading time can will should also be highly good or efficient, you can say. It should load fast, and creating your own hosting area, I don't think that will be good. So what we can do, we can store these static files inside the buckets, or you can say cloud. That will be the better option. But as of right now, I'm just developing it. I'm not creating it for production, so I will be storing the media files inside this thing. Okay, so let's go here inside the urls.py. Let's script plus. What I will be doing, I will be calling from Django dot uh, contrib. Okay, so why I am getting this yellow marks? Okay, let's contrib dot urls dot contrib. Okay, first of all, why I'm getting this thing, this part. Admin is not access import Django admin contrib will not be resolved from the filings. Okay. Contrib will not resolve from source. Okay, so what is the issue here basically? Import Django core will not be resolved. Why am I getting here? Okay, just relaunch it. Uh-huh. Uh, oh. Okay, but why it is not loading? Okay, what I will do here, I will just open a folder. Okay, and go inside this folder, open it again. Am I using multiple projects? That's why it's creating this type of issue. Inside this project, go inside teacher management, backend. Open this only. Okay. From Django dot contrib dot urls. Okay, so what am I doing basically wrong here? Why the hell it is showing URLs? Go inside the URLs. It is Django conf. Oh, okay. It is Django conf, not Django contrib. Yes, so conf dot urls dot static. What I will be importing? I will be importing a static function. I will doing here. I will use static and I will host that static function. Okay. So okay, let me think. Hmm. Okay, so I have to call settings also. So import settings. What I will calling settings for? I will calling settings for I will calling settings for media URL, and I will be mapping media URL with the document root. Document root. Settings dot media. Okay, correct. So this part is covered now. Python is already here, so why am I installing it again? अरे यार should I install this? I have already installed everything, so why should I need to install it? Okay, so I will be installing this. I hope so. Okay, so let's close this. This part is done. Oh, okay, so for we are already installing this thing. I think it is installed. So this part is done. We have already connected with the Postgres database also, and we have set up the media files also. So cool, this part is done. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be creating an app named student. Okay, so that student, basically what we will be doing inside the student, I will be creating a CRUD operation for the student, and CRUD operation, yeah, that will be it. Basically you can check the student, you can do whatever you want. Basically I just creating a CRUD operation for the student. I will be creating an API for it, and I will be connecting it with the front end, which is Vue.js. Okay, so let's get started here. Okay, so let me run first. Go inside the SMS backend and let me run this server. Okay, let me run the server first. Python 3 manage.py run server. Okay, am I doing something wrong here? Go and import the Django. Are you sure it is installed? Python path. Sorry, what type of path is standard? Type checking. Auto detect. Okay, okay. Am I not using the okay. Let me clear this first. Okay, source dot what the hell is happening here? venv slash bin slash activate. Okay. Not okay. So let's run this thing again. What I will doing? I will just killing this. Uh-huh. Just install. Dash R wireless. Sorry. Okay, am I doing something wrong here? Okay, let me delete this thing first. I don't know why it is happening, but standards checking mode, yeah. Standard, but what I will do? Okay, so okay. So what I will do? I will go inside Python 3 dash m venv venv dot venv. Okay. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will activate this when virtual environment first. Okay, why? Okay, what is happening here? It is so confusing. Just terminal, computer task. Can I kill this thing? Mm, okay, so kill the terminal. Create a new bash terminal. Okay, so pip. Okay, Django dash admin dash version. Let me check this. It's double dash, I suppose. Okay, so it is installed here. Okay, go inside SMS underscore backend. Manage.py. Uh, okay, it is not installed, so that's okay. So pip dash r requirements dot php. This environment external unit. Okay. So this is global. This is okay. Uh-huh. What I will be doing, I will be killing this thing first. Okay, what I will be doing, I will open VS Code again. I don't know why it is happening, but it's not normal. Basically, should not happen this. Mm, okay, so inside the VS Code, there is inside the virtual environment, there is no package name. What do you say? Django. Sorry. So what I have to do, I have to go inside this pip install the sharp requirements.txt. Okay, so this part is done. What I have to do, I have to go inside this project, name SMS underscore backend. Okay, inside this project, I will run this command again. Manage.py run server. Oh, okay, okay. We haven't installed the Psycho PG. So this part will be installed. So right, I will put for later use if this situation happens again. So but for right now, what I will doing? I can run that command again. Oh, it is inside this. Okay. Let's run the server again. No module name settings. Sorry. Settings. Okay, so it is basically saying there is no module name settings. So my import is wrong here. So right. So it is not settings. We can direct. We cannot basically direct import settings files. We just have to use Django conf here. Okay. So what I will doing? Ah, mm, we don't have to do anything from here. We have to add one more line, one more thing, and which is Django dot conf. No. Okay, so it's working. Great. Not so what I will be doing again, I will going inside this Django installed app section. I will mention REST framework. REST framework. Okay, let's check this thing whether it is showing something or not. Localhost 800. Okay, so what happened? Framework. Okay, am I doing something wrong here again? Let's go settings. Start the settings, move up. Not inside this. Okay, so let me open my Django REST framework first. DRF. DRF. Seriously. Django REST framework. Home. Inside this home. Okay, I have to open the quick start section. Okay, so inside the quick start. Okay, so what should I have to do? Creating this, and this. Okay, so inside the REST framework. Okay, so it is underscore basically. Uh, I'm, I was wrong. REST framework. Okay, so it is running now. Let's refresh it. Okay, so we don't have anything. Open the admin. Yeah, we have. Let's create a super admin also. Go inside the bash. Go inside SMS underscore backend. Okay, what I will doing? I will be creating Python 3 manage.py. What? Okay, so I will try to create super user. Inside the super user, I will putting admin. I will be okay. So I'm not giving email address. My password will be simple. Uh, yeah, it's just a development app. So. Okay, so it looks fine now. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, so what should I do here? So this framework is working now. Okay, let me first refresh this thing. Let me enter this password. Okay, so it's working now. Okay, so what should I be doing here? Let me create an app. So Django, not this. Python manage py start app uh, student student I say student. Okay, this one looks good. Okay, so what I will be doing here, inside the student I will be creating some files. Okay, so one file will be a serializers.py. Okay, another file will be what you say basically, it will be urls.py. Okay, so again, let's, so what are the things here? Let's go inside this. Okay, so what we are basically doing here, view student details including name, roll number, enrolled courses and contact. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a model. Okay, so let me open this project. Okay, so I'm closing this project. I will open another new project. Okay, not another new project. I will be opening a different project where I have created a full-fledged app, and I will see that project first because some of the code I don't remember, so I have to check for a cross-referencing as a cross-reference. Okay. Okay. So I have to write this thing. Let's search for another project from where I can check. It is TRF2. Okay, it is TRF2 basically. So I have to open Lex terminal from here. I said this. Let's work. This model. Yes, so this looks fine. Okay, so this looks good. Let's open the model. Model. Okay. Let's go. First will be name. Model of shopping. Maximum length will be. Okay, so I will putting 100 maximum length. Should I put blank? By default it will. Okay. And this sharpening. Roll number is a number, not a sharpening. No. You can check it. Okay. Strings and string allowed. False. No. Okay. This is going to be. Okay, self-init manner. Another false, blank is false. Okay, so this looks fine. What will be next? Process will be one to many, many to one to one, many to one to many. Yes, one to one. Let me check. What are the relationships with? Okay, so it is many to one, and one to one. Inside the many to one. Okay, so there is the reporter and article. Mm, okay, so but it is not mentioned. Now we can show man to many relationship. One to many relationship. Integrates and management for student affairs. Across multiple courses. Okay, What should I be doing here? Okay, so I have created an enrollment model, I have created a course model, I have created a student model. Okay, so then now this looks okay to me. So student models, course model. These parts are done now. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be creating a separate app for course and enrollment both. Okay, so what I will be doing, course manage.py. Start app. Okay, going for what I can say, enrollment. So this part is completed. Course enrollment and student. Okay, so here I will create a new file. New file will be urls.py. Another file will be serializer. Serializer.py. Okay, so now create for course. It's .py. Okay, so course part is covered. Okay, so inside the model, what else should I do? Just go inside the course model, paste it here. This model. Okay, so this looks good. Inside the role, paste it here. Base model. This part is covered. Now I have to import student model and base model both. Course model. Okay, so right now this is okay. Okay, so the course is covered, enrollment is covered, student is covered, the model part is covered right now. I don't think I should have to add even more here. So as per the basic requirement is covered. So what I will be doing here, So I will be creating a serializer. I think from this underscore framework, I will be importing serializers. Okay. And I will be using model serializer. So that will be easy, though I don't have to write a boilerplate code for that. So that's why I will be using model serializer. The model name will be the model and okay, so not like that. This no, it is okay. Let's consult this. Okay, so field is there. And the model snippet. Yeah, this looks fine. ID, name. Okay, one more thing I should be adding here, and that will be a student image. Profile picture should be necessary for the student, so I will be adding that also. Profile, not profile pic, image. I can say student image and image. I will just name it on the student image. Okay, so what will be the location? The location will be it will be the image student images. Okay, I will name it student images. Okay, so I have created 3 folders, one for thumbnail for course, and one for student images, and one for the mark sheet or file, you can say. And what I will be doing, I will be uploading all 3 static images. When the user uploads the images, it will be the file will be stored inside the respective folders that I will be providing inside the image field or file field. Okay, so I don't think I need more information. These are enough. So I will be taking name, image, roll number, mobile number, email. So I need all of the fields. So name, image, mobile number. I think mobile number, email, roll number, mobile number, email. Roll number, Not here. Okay, so name, image, roll number, mobile number, email. Okay, ID, name, roll number, image, mobile number, email. Okay, great. So this part is completed. So I have added the serializer also. Okay, let me add the serializer for this from REST framework. Import. What should I import? Serializer. Okay. Class. The class name should be enrollment serializer. Not serializers. It will be serializer. Should be singular, not plural. The naming convention is not good, so it is pretty bad. Let me tell you that. Okay, so class is meta. Model is model name should be the enrollment model. Dot models. What should be? It will be in model. Model. This looks fine. I will be passing a fields. Fields. Okay, so fields will be ID. Okay. Then it will be student ID. So I am taking student ID as a foreign key. So I will be just taking a record of the student and courses that they have enrolled. So it will be one to many relationship basically. Then it will be course ID. Let me verify this spellings are right. Student ID, course ID, grade, marksheet. Okay. Grade. And it will be marksheet. Okay, so this looks good. Marksheet, grade, course ID, something like that. Okay, cool. This looks great. Okay, so models have been done, enrollment has been done here also. Let me add this part. Add this. Let me do aim for this course and also. So from REST framework, import serializer, go to class, import course serializer. Okay, so it will be taking model serializer. Okay, so inside the model serializer, I will be calling meta class. Not calling meta class. I will be creating a meta class where I will providing a model and fees. So models will be okay. Model will be it is model I think, not models. Model. Okay, so model is course model I suppose. From model import dot models. Dot models import course model. Inside the course model, I'll be assigning the model course model to the model and fields that I want to use. So it will be ID and it will be title, description, thumbnail. Okay. It will be ID, title, description, and thumbnail. Thumbnails or thumbnail? Thumbnail. Okay, this looks okay here also. I am also passing a base model, so created and updated at. No, leave it. Right now I don't think it is necessary to add that part. Okay, so create models, thumbnails, serializers. Okay, so we have added serializer and we have added model also, and so now we have to create a views. Okay, so I will be creating a CRUD operation. So I will be using mixin, I think mixin, if I'm right here. Let me check. Use of REST framework. Basically, I will be using mixin because I don't want to write that much code. After completing the whole project, I will add additional feature, but not right now. So what I will be doing here, I will be using mixin. Okay, so I will be creating an API route. Then I will be using mixin for it to add CRUD operation. Okay, so this looks good here. Retrieve, update, and destroy. Retrieve, update, destroy API view. So you can. Okay, so you can perform CRUD operation here. You can retrieve a data, you can update a data, and you can destroy data. Okay, this is fine. Let's see. Destroy API view. So let's write some create model, this model. Generics. Technical detail. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so let's use some generic APIs. Okay. Okay, so CRUD operation. List API. List API will not list. Okay. And query set and serializer class. So it will be list model mixing and generic API view. So we are calling generic API view here, and generic API view needs query set and serializer class. Okay. Lookup field is there by default, but I am not using list create API view. I am just fetching all the students, so I will be using list API view. Okay. So let me give query set. So query set will be model serializer class, and the serializer class will be, as you know, we have already created that. It will be student serializer. Okay. Student serializer. So we have given the serializer class and serializer. We don't have to do anything else. So this is the code that I will write. Only 3 lines. And we have performed the get operation. Right. This is the thing. That's why I like about. This is the thing that I like about the Django. Basically, you don't have to write much code, and Django obviously provides flexibility. You have the option to write like this, and you have the option to create a function and implement that part also. If you need flexibility or you want to write your own business logic, you can do that also. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let's add CRUD. CRUD CRUD events. What will do? Generics dot retrieve destroy API view update destroy. So we will be fetching, updating, and deleting the data. Query set will be student student model dot objects dot all, and what will be the serializer class? It will be the same student serializers. Okay, cool. So this part is covered, student part is covered, and what I will be doing, I will be creating a URL. So let me think. That one is the best. Na 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 na. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, what should I do? URL patterns. It will be list. So what are we doing? URL patterns. Okay. What about URLs? Import path. Okay. Path will be slash k, and the view will be import view and v dot students serialize and not students, list of students. Okay, and we'll be calling as use. Okay. Okay. Mm, yes. We create read. So we are updating it. We are creating create read update. Okay, but inside just performance retrieving updating more instance. So we perform put get put patch and delete. So these are the operations that usually happens. Just go inside views, and what should I do? I will be calling list create API view rather than list API view, because we are fetching the list of student, but we are also creating a single student also. So it will be create API view. So it will perform post and get operation, as you can see here. Okay, so it will create a cell data. So let's analyze, check if it is valid, perform create operation, get the header, pass it in the form of response. Okay, fine. So basically this list create API view don't don't take any primary key. So yeah, basically you are fetching all the students and you are creating a new student without ID. So yeah. So this part is covered, I suppose. Now get list of and okay. What I will be doing, I will be saving students. Student slash okay. And here, okay. The name will be list get okay, and here I will put name read update delete. Okay, instead of CRUD, what I will do, I will just add CRUD. This looks okay. So we are reading, updating and deleting the sprint from this API, and from this API we are listing the sprint and creating a sprint. So let's change the name here, list create. Okay, go inside the URL pivot and paste it in. Okay, so this looks nice, I think. This part is done. So there's a part is done. Okay, but how we will upload the image? Let me check this thing. How can we upload the image? How can we upload the image? And the rest will work. Okay, so it will take a file, requested a file, then it will take image, upload image.object.create file image. Okay, so uh-huh. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so this is the one that I'm facing trouble as of right now, but okay, so we will install Pillow. We are creating a model, images, serve.caption, whatever. Likewise, in image app modularizer, we have include all fields. Okay, well, this is good, but okay, so we are registering upload image model inside the admin. It is our image app in which we have done two methods. Okay, so we are using API view here, and what we are doing here? Request.files.get media. Okay. Okay, what I will be doing, I will be solving this issue later. Let's just complete this first. Okay, I will be copy pasting everything. Okay, so